Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I thought today I'd show you a little video on making a palace theater. This particular theater is made with these two different products. You have your Ameri-Towne building kits Palace Theater 867, and then you also have the Miller Engineering Theater Marquee combo. So I thought this video I would just kind of unbox everything, let you see everything and how it looks, and then in a future video kind of show you how to assemble it and the finished product. So here we go. We're going to take a look at the building first. Alright, when you unbox the building itself, you get your instructions. Pretty simple. It basically also comes with a little piece of a little plastic, kind of almost a transparency kind of plastic thickness, and pretty simple instructions. So after that, you take a look at all the pieces, and you've got these really nice thick plastic pieces that all have these little tabs that kind of interlock with one another. And you can buy this kit to be just the front of the piece if you just want to make a flat building. It is a two-story building, and or you can buy it to make it into a full 3D freestanding building. Then you also have these little extra kind of inserts, and these just kind of snap into place. So then you get your full front of the piece like that. So there's the front of the building. Again, nice durable heavy plastic. The other thing I noted on this is that the bottom section has these two little slits that are right here and here. And I'm thinking that they built it for people to be able to put a sign or something on it. And they're very deep, and they pretty much go almost up to the front of it, so you could easily cut these things out to be able to insert your sign, which is what I intend to do. When you first get these pieces, you're also going to notice there are going to be some little parts here that are going to have to be sanded down. And then if you want to paint it, you can paint it, which I do intend to do. Other parts of the different walls, you have kind of your side brick walls, and these things again just snap into place. You can easily glue them afterwards, or put the glue on and then snap them into place. And I'll just go ahead and just quickly snap these on. So you got two of those, and then the back wall, so you've got this one, and this one has kind of a different piece, a little back door to it, little windows. Some of the windows need to have some sanding done to them as well. And they again just snap into place. Other pieces that came with it, you've got your roof, nice little detail for a roof, sidewalk, and then the top trim that kind of goes on the very top of the front of the building. So this could then kind of go right there. Again, nice little added little detail. Alright, let's take a look at the Miller stuff. Okay, so the Miller sign, this particular one I may have bought as a used piece. I actually really got a great deal on it. Normally these retail for up and around up to 70 bucks or so for the combo, and I ended up getting mine for about 30 bucks. So I was really lucky and very happy with it. Just kind of looking at it, it's really well detailed. There's a lot of great action that's going to happen on these. The bottom one here is flexible, so I can put it with that front of the building and kind of insert once I cut out those things just to kind of go there. Again, I'll probably have to build like a little area that'll go in here just to be able to support that. And this will sit a little bit further in once it's fully complete. Then you also have a bunch of wires and the wiring and stuff that come with it. And you've seen my other videos on, first make sure you always, take a look at it, make sure everything runs before you cut anything. But, when I bought this, I wasn't expecting this thing to run off of just one of these. I was thinking it was a combo, meaning that you'd have to have two of these. And the great thing about this is that the distribution box that I've got downstairs on the layout, I've only got so many more spots available. And I was thinking I was going to have to use 2 slots for it. Well, no, this thing has the ability to kind of do like a Y-splitter thing, and you're able to hook the entire thing up together. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this up and show you that. So again, once again, you always have to kind of look at those little dots on there. They always want those dots to match up on the same side. It won't damage the sign if they're done wrong. It just won't run. All right, so this one, after kind of looking at the instructions, showed that you want to take and do something like this. Kind of taking one Y splitter and then the second Y splitter as well. I'm going to hook up the first sign, and just on its own, I mean, I could hook this one up by itself if I wanted to. And again, it has a nice little display right there. They have stickers that you can put on the front of these, some that you can custom make, or you can go with the standard ones that came with it. Now you've got your second sign, and just make sure the dots are all lined up like that. I also recommend doing this when it's turned off. I just got a little shock there. But these things have just a really great kind of look to them and how they work. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put together the building and let you see what that looks like. Just kind of roughly assembled, not all the way painted or glued or anything. But anyway, here's the Miller stuff. Alright, so I just kind of roughly put it together. This piece, I believe, stands about 6 inches tall. It's probably about 5 inches deep or so. And probably about, I guess, the same in width as well. It has a really great kind of detail to it. I think it's going to look great on the layout. And again, really kind of enhanced, I think, with the added features of the Miller signs and stuff. So I can put this one like up in here, this area, with the rest of the marquee down at this level right here. So be looking forward to the next video when this thing gets painted and eventually detailed with the signs. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope you're having a great holiday. Thanks again, and if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe. Thanks.